welcome back to this crypto news and technical analysis update on multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum. So, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and be part of the Bitcoin Addict community. So, let's dive straight into it. So, with Bitcoin, let's start with Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin the last few days had a quite aggressive dump, as you can see here, and this is mainly due to two reasons. First of all, is because Bitcoin, wait, let me remove this so it's easier to see. First of all, is because Bitcoin has touched this resistance point trend line. As you can see here, we touched it and we rejected, and also because of this, of course, range. Sorry, not of this range, because of this other horizontal resistance, as you can see here, and this is the 102k level. So unfortunately we got rejected. The bulls didn't have enough force to break this resistance, because this is very big resistance, and of course we dropped down. We did not even hold this support, this resistance level, which now has become so it was support, but now is resistance because we didn't hold it and we broke down. We also did not hold the highest volume point, this red line here, and we went below, which is also not great. What is great though is that we've hold this massive support line, which is the 90k support level, which is very good. It's very good, though we still could continue to go lower. This is because we are potentially forming an ABC Elliott wave correction pattern. As you can see here, this could be the first wave until here. Now we're potentially creating a second wave here. Maybe this is the first. Maybe we're here, and maybe we will continue lower now because we hit resistance, first point of resistance, and we'll continue lower now. Or we go a bit higher here at the 99k level and then continue lower. So we could first of all go up to here, as we did, and continue our rejection, or we go back and test this low. I'm gonna show you, wait 1 second. We might test this low here at 91.1k and then potentially continue higher like this. So grab the liquidity here and then continue higher, which could be a bullish sign. Or we continue now higher, as this would be the B wave, touch this very big resistance zone, and then continue lower. This is also a possibility. So we have to take those two possibilities in count. And the target is, we can calculate the target of the downside by using the trend-based Fibonacci extensions tool, extension tool, sorry. We start from the top. Wait 1 second. We start from the top here, from this high. Okay, from this high, we go until the low here. And if this is the if this is the B wave, and we're now starting the C wave, we calculate until here. If the B wave continues, then we go, of course, we choose the latest high here. At the moment, this is the latest high that we have here. And our first target would be around 90k level. As you can see here, it's 89.9, so it's literally 90k level, which is of course very big support level of support. So Bitcoin could still continue like this, go here. We retested this previous resistance, and we now could continue lower. Take the liquidity here, scare everybody out, liquidate a lot of position, and then continue higher. This is a possibility, so take these possibilities into account because they're possible, okay? We might just scare up people, wick down, and continue higher up, as you can see here. So be careful. Even if you see here the candle going down and then thinking that we will go like 80k, it could be just a trap. So be careful here. We could just grab liquidity here and then continue higher. So what I would do is, first of all, put some limit orders here. This zone here is a zone to put limit long orders and not shorts, because if you put shorts, you very easily going to be liquidated. So please be careful, go with long position. Of course, this is not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing, so please make sure to do that. Let's now go continue our analysis on Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum is also dumping, because when Bitcoin dumps, all the altcoins follow. of course. As you can see here, Ethereum has touched this bull flag resistance, and of course we went lower, unfortunately, because this is also massive resistance point, which we broke. Of course, we rejected from, and this is very similar situation for Ethereum. As you can see here, Ethereum could still continue lower and grab this low liquidity as Bitcoin did here. As you can see here, we had this low, as you can see here, and Bitcoin grabbed it, as you can see here. So we're most probably gonna grab this liquidity here. Well, it's not guaranteed, but it could definitely happen, because we already took this liquidity, this liquidity that is here, as you can see here from this candle here. And now we might be heading towards this point here, the 3.1k level, which is, I think, very good point to enter long position, and of course not shorts. We could also like wick down like this, scare people out, and continue higher. So this is all a trap. All the cryptocurrency market is now scaring everybody out. As we know, every year the cycle repeats. So what I would do is, of course, enter long position, low leverage or spot, and we just, even if we continue lower, we just buy the dip, okay? Because at a certain point, Ethereum will still continue higher. As you can see here, we're also in a bullish pattern. This is a bull flag, and the target of this bull flag is actually, I'm going to tell you right now, the target of this bull flag is in fact almost $5,000. So it's very bullish. So what I would do now is put long limit orders. As I'm telling you, we might continue lower like this. I'm going to show you with the ABC Elliott wave pattern as we did on the Bitcoin chart. This could be the A wave. We're now potentially creating our B wave. So that was the A wave. The B wave, I don't know, we might continue here. Go here. Oh my god, I'm sorry, wait. So this is the A wave, okay? The breakdown. Now we might continue to go higher and test again this resistance zone, and then continue lower towards this liquidity point right here. So this is a possibility. I'm gonna now take the Fibonacci retracement tool to see what are the potential targets. So we start from the high. Wait, not from here though. We start from the high here. We go to the lowest point, so this low here, and the highest point after the pullback. And as you can see here, the target is almost the same as the low. Actually, it's very similar to very big support, which is the $3,000 level support. This is very big support, which is aligning with the Fibonacci retracement tool, as you can see here. Not retracement tool, sorry, Fibonacci trend-based extension. I'm sorry for the confusion. And as you can see here, we are almost aligning perfectly at the dollar accuracy, as you can see here. So Ethereum could continue like this, go down as we did, continue higher, touch again this potential resistance, continue lower until here, scare everybody out, people entering shorts, and then I think we're gonna continue higher, because usually cryptocurrencies tend to scare people off. Everybody's gonna sell or short the asset, and what we do is the actually opposite. We continue higher. So what I would do still also for Ethereum, I would put limit orders here. If we continue lower, it's the best. Please enter Ethereum. The target of this bull flag is $5,000. Whenever we break the bull flag towards the downside, then it's going to be, of course, a different scenario. We will not be bullish. Okay, so until we're still in above this trend line, we are going to be safe for Ethereum, and we are long. So let's now go to the last point of today's video, is the liquidation points. Liquidation heat map. As you can see here, this is Bitcoin. So what we could do with Bitcoin is continue higher to liquidate all these short position at 96k, as you can see here, at this previous high. So Bitcoin could continue to 96k, as you can see here. Let's go on the chart and show it. So we could continue to 96k, which is almost aligning perfectly with this point of highest volume. which we did, but we still did not take the liquidity because 96k is around here. So we still would need to go higher, take the liquidity around here, around this high here, and then potentially continue lower to our 89, 90k level. Take also the liquidity here, and then of course continue higher and potentially breaking this resistance line towards the upside. Thank you again for joining in. As always, make sure to follow me on Twitter at the Bitcoin Addict for the latest news and crypto analysis. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and be part of my YouTube and Twitter community. As always, make sure to sign up on Bybit using my link here down below. Bybit is the most trusted and liquid exchange for leveraged trading in crypto. You can also join my Telegram channel where I post daily technical analysis updates, crypto news update, and exclusive trading insight. As always, use this link down below. Thank you again for your attention and hope to see you in the next one. And bye bye from the Bitcoin Addict.